Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to compare OnePlus 11 versus OnePlus 11R with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks and price, and are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, OnePlus 11 has a 6.7 inches screen, while the OnePlus 11R has a 6.74 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both phones comes with Fluid Amoled display. In the resolution, OnePlus 11 comes with 2K resolution, while the OnePlus 11R comes with Full HD Plus resolution. OnePlus 11 has a 525 pixels density, while the OnePlus 11R has 451 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen-to-body ratio, OnePlus 11 has 89.6%, while the OnePlus 11R has 90.3%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, OnePlus 11 has 163.1 mm, while the OnePlus 11R has 163.4 mm. OnePlus 11 has 74.1 mm in the width, while the OnePlus 11R has 74.3 mm width. OnePlus 11 has 8.5 mm in the thickness, while the OnePlus 11R has 8.7 mm thickness. Looking at these two phones' weight, OnePlus 11 has 205 grams, while the OnePlus 11R has 204 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, OnePlus 11 comes with two different colors, and the OnePlus 11R also comes with two different colors. Now let us compare about the camera and its features. OnePlus 11 has a triple camera setup, including 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, 48 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and 32 megapixels telephoto lens. While the OnePlus 11R has a triple camera setup, including 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and 2 megapixels macro lens. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, OnePlus 11 supports up to 8K resolution at 24 FPS, while the OnePlus 11R supports up to 4K resolution at 60 FPS. In a comparison of front camera, OnePlus 11 comes with 16 megapixels selfie camera, with Full HD video resolution at 60 FPS, and the OnePlus 11R also comes with 16 megapixels selfie camera, with Full HD video resolution at 30 FPS. Now let's do the hardware comparison. Looking at the processor, OnePlus 11 powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, while the OnePlus 11R powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. In a CPU comparison, OnePlus 11 supports up to octa-core 3.2 GHz clock speed, and the OnePlus 11R also supports up to octa-core 3.2 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, OnePlus 11 comes with Adreno 740, while the OnePlus 11R comes with Adreno 730. Let's compare the operating system. OnePlus 11 comes with Oxygen OS-based Android 13 operating system, and the OnePlus 11R also comes with Oxygen OS-based Android 13 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage. OnePlus 11 comes in two variants, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 16GB RAM with 256GB storage. And the OnePlus 11R also comes in two variants, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, and 16GB RAM with 256GB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Let's check out the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in OnePlus 11 has 5000 mAh, and in the OnePlus 11R also has 5000 mAh. OnePlus 11 supports 100 watts fast charge, and the OnePlus 11R also supports 100 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with NFC support. Both these phones doesn't have an IR blaster. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with Bluetooth 5.3 version. Let's take a look on the benchmarks. In an Antutu benchmark score comparison, OnePlus 11 has scored 1,027,699, while the OnePlus 11R has scored 856,065. Now let's compare price. If you look at the OnePlus 11, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 56,999, and 16GB 256GB variant is priced at 61,999. OnePlus 11R, the 8GB 256GB variant is priced at 39,999, and 16GB 256GB variant is priced at 44,999. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.